Students, next topic is compound epithelial cell. Compound stratified epithelial cells. So these are cells which is made up of more than one layers of cells. You can say multiple layers of cells. Made up of more than one layer of cells, and it is divided on the basis of the shape into three. Okay, classification. On the basis of shape. Deepest layer. Okay, डीपेस्ट लेयर शेप की बात हो रही है. सो फर्स्ट इज स्ट्रैटिफाइड स्क्वामस. स्क्वामस epithelial cells. Second is stratified cuboidal epithelial. It is E, epithelial cells. And third one is you can say columnar. Stratified columnar epithelial cells. Now in this, what is there? If we talk about stratified squamous, it is flat. Okay, and basement membrane is also present here. Here it is basement membrane, and it is again divided into two on the basis of presence of keratin and non-keratin. Keratin, nice, stratified squamous epithelial cells, and non-keratinous, non-keratin keratinized stratified, it is squamous epithelial cells. Okay, so keratinized epithelial cells, what about this? In this, what happened? The cells replace the cytoplasms. Okay, and it is keratin is deposit there. The cells replace their cytoplasms with a hard waterproof protein called keratin. What is keratin? Keratin जो है वो waterproof protein. It is protein. Okay. The cells is replaced by keratin. Okay. Write down here in this. द सेल्स, मैंने इसमें कैरेटिन प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, द सेल्स रिप्लेस देयर cytoplasms with a hard waterproof protein the keratin, and it is where it is found. It is mainly found where there is more क्या कहते हैं, friction is there, mechanical aberration is there. For example, we can say palm. Okay, so lots of work we do with the help of our hand. तो ये palm में पाया जाएगा, सोल में पाया जाता है. ओके, सो लोकेशन इज जहाँ मैकेनिकल एब्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ पाया जाता है. एंड केराटिन इज इम्परमिएबल टू वाटर, and location is palm and sole. Okay, the horny layer is shed at intervals due to friction. Okay, next is non-keratinized. Location, name indicates it does not have a keratin. Same title, it does not have keratin. ओके, तो keratin वहाँ पाया जाता है जहाँ वर्क ज़्यादा. ओके, let me write here. Keratin is impermeable to water and is also resistant to mechanical aberration. Okay, aberration means scraping. It does not have keratin, so it is found it is unable to check water loss. मतलब यहाँ पे प्रोटेक्शन की जहाँ ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है वहाँ keratin पाया जाएगा. So it is found where location is cornea and inner side of lips, vagina, foreskin, anal canal and some parts of cervix. Okay, so these are the location. Next come to stratified cuboidal. Okay, so as our name suggests, in case listening carefully, the deepest layer cells जो एकदम नीचे होगा, जो basement membrane के पास हो, it is cuboidal in shape. And slowly it is, जैसे जैसे ऊपर चले जाएंगे, it will become flat. Okay, so here it is basement membrane. Location, lining of ducts, Salivary is just like salivary glands. And what else? Mammary glands. Pancreas. So it is about cuboidal. बेसल सेल्स, ये बेसल सेल्स क्या होती हैं, कैसी, क्यूबॉइडल इन शेप. लेट मी राइट दिस पॉइंट. बेसल लेयर क्यूबॉइडल. Next is stratified columnar cells. In this what happened? Same things. Columnar cells जो basal cells होते हैं, it is, let me write here, stratified columnar. It is column in shape. And slowly it is converted into flat. Slowly it is converted into flat. So basal cell is columnar. I will say columnar. Columnar in shape. Okay. Location we can say anus, and pharynx. Okay, let me write here in stratified cuboidal. Basal cell is cuboidal in shape and slowly as we move upward, cells become flat. Same case in stratified. Basal cell is column in shape. As we move upward, it will become flat. Okay, so this is all about the compound, or you can stratified epithelium cell.